My name is Jennifer Hwang and I'm from UC Berkeley. Today I would like to tell you why you should buy Harley Davidson stock. First, I will provide a brief overview of the company. Next, I will analyze the relative wealth chart and the drivers of CFROI. Lastly, I will conclude with a reiteration of the main takeaways from this presentation. Harley Davidson has a very focused business model. They do operate in two segments, but the company focuses the majority of its operations in motorcycles and related products. Moreover, the customer base is mainly located within the United States, although it is becoming more diverse. As you can see by the upward trend in stock performance over the past few years, Harley Davidson has a very strong brand value, and its stock will presumably continue to grow. By analyzing the relative wealth chart, we can deduce that the company has created economic wealth, as its CFROI has consistently been above the discount rate. Due to its steady operating margins, the CFROI stays relatively stable in the 1990s, although their asset turns do decline. The dip in CFROI in the late 2000s is due to its three drivers, which will be discussed individually in the following slides. However, it is evident that these drivers are now causing CFROI to steadily increase. Furthermore, there has been a positive market response, as seen in the lower chart, which demonstrates that the majority of shareholders do trust management's ability to drive wealth. There was strong sales growth in the late 90s, but this suffered due to rising gas prices in the Great Recession that occurred in 2007 to 2009, which caused consumers to draw back from spending. However, recent positive sales growth demonstrates a return demand for Harley Davidson products. The increasing operating margins in the 1990s had a huge effect on the CFROI chart, as mentioned previously. Despite the dip in the late 2000s due to the recession, Harley Davidson still has strong operating margins, demonstrating the impact of its brand value, as customers are willing to pay a premium despite the economic circumstances. There is a history of decreasing asset turns, but there does begin a positive trend following the recession. The increase in asset turns shows an improvement in Harley Davidson's efficiency at generating dollars in revenue per dollar of assets, and this seems to be growing steadily into the next few years. In conclusion, I recommend that you do buy Harley Davidson stock because it is driven by its industry growth, focused business model, and positive CFROI. These strengths, as seen using the relative wealth chart, drivers of CFROI, and the Holt valuation methodology, prove that Harley Davidson will outperform and provide future returns.